is very simple. All you have to remember is silver, gold, and diamond. So if I were you, if you really want right now an amazing business opportunity, go for diamond as the person who invited you. Now, we have 8 ways to generate income. So basically, the last 2 is for those who wants this business to bring it to the next level. Kung baga, ito na yung long term. You want to build it as a career. It could be, but for example, you're looking for a part-time initially, or if you're looking, whatever it is that you're looking, the good thing about our business is it can be for short-term, mid-term, and long-term. So we have the sponsorship bonus, redemption bonus, and level pairing bonus. So these first 3, pagka ikaw ay kumuha ng device, itong 3 na to yung una mong pwedeng maging income kapag nag-share ka na sa mga friends mo. And then, as your team is growing, you have the group pairing bonus. Sorry about that. Group pairing bonus, leadership bonus, and then of course, the uni-level bonus. Basta bonus ang tawag dyan. So we will explain. And of course, like I mentioned, for those who are building it, this career in Prive, we have the rank up bonus and the global profit bonus. Okay, so before I go on and explain ano tong mga bonuses, we have 3 wallets. Wow, o diba? Buti pa sa Prive, may 3 wallet. Okay, bonus wallet, register wallet, and bonus redemption wallet. Ayan, so very, very amazing. Bonus wallet basically is where you receive your bonus by the word itself. Pwede po siyang ma-encash through the bank. Register wallet, siya naman po yung pwedeng i-purchase ng product in the system. And for the bonus redemption wallet, ito po yung wallet na naririnig natin, BRW, or pwedeng ma-redeem ng product. The product can be retailed or you can give it as a gift. Ayan. Okay. Let's start. Very straightforward. Number 1 is sponsorship bonus. Fast track income, ibig sabihin ito po yung usually na mabilisan, right away. Sa Tagalog, ura-urada. Okay. So right away, you have a friend, uy, gusto ko yung pro. O, diba? So pag yung friend mo kumuha ng diamond, yan po ay pro. Automatic, straightforward, 10%. Ilan? 10%. 10% taken from the point value. So nandito naman po, self-explanatory. Pag merong silver na kinuha, yung friend mo may $20, pag gold may $60, and of course pag diamond may $200. So yan lang po ang kailangan natin maalala, 10%, basta may kumuha sa ating friends to try the product because you shared to them the amazing Itera Care, you get 10%. But wait, there's more. It's so amazing. Bakit? Kakambal po ng number 1. Yung number 2, laging kambal yan. Basta ikaw ang nag-share directly. Kaya ang tawag sponsor, ikaw ang nag-sponsor, nag-share. Meron tinatawag na redemption bonus. Okay, fast track pa rin. So kakambal sila. Ano yon? Basically po, 35%, okay, ng silver, kaya po 200 PV, ang 35% ng 200 PV, kaya po nakasulat $70. What if yung pink ang kinuha niya, kahit silver yon dahil 400 PV po, yung premium plus, the one I showed you kanina na latest, then you get 140. So grabe, no? Kakambal niya. And of course, the gold is 40% and the diamond is 50%. Bakit $1,000 ang BRW mo? Kasi 2,000 PV, 50% noon is 1,000. So yan po yung laging kambal. Okay? Now, ito po yung maganda. So first 2, laging together. Ngayon, sa third, which is the level pairing bonus, yan na po yung linalagyan ng system. So kanina, the first 2 is for the direct person na pinasok mo or sineran mo dito po sa Prive. Whether they will do the business right away or bumili lang sila, as long as they got the device, when they are in your organization, pag pinlace mo na sila, ayan, ito na yung tinatawag na level pairing bonus. So by the word itself, every 40% of every first, so basta unang nakita ng system, na nag-match sila, okay? Meron kang 40% sa point value na linagay mo doon, na tao na bumili. What do I mean? Anybody that has bought this device, and of course, it has a corresponding point value. In this example, first level, kumuha ng silver si right and then si left. And of course, the silver is 200 PV. So 40% po nun ay $80. There you have it. That's why you have $80 and so forth. Now, What if sa third level, Miss Timmy, silver and diamond? Of course, ang kukunin muna ng system is the lowest, which is the silver. Kaya in that case, $80 pa rin. But, don't worry. Pag nag-upgrade si friend, uy, gusto ko na yung pro or yung bio, you will get the remaining. O, di ba? Amazing. And of course, pag diamond ang nag-match, meron kang $800. Take note ha, this one, as you can see here, family and placement hierarchy. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabing family, directly ikaw ang nag-share. Pero yung placement, maybe, your sponsor sa taas na ilagay lang doon kasi walang ibang babatuhan, left and right lang. Kahit hindi ikaw personally ang naglagay nung left, let's say ikaw naglagay nung right, pero pag nakita ng system nag-match, congratulations! You get level pairing bonus as long as it's the first level in that level. O, di ba? So in this case, starting from the third, whether ikaw nag-sponsor, as long as it's in your genealogy, you will have the pairing. And the good thing is hanggang kadulu-duluhan, infinity, as long as it's the first pair on that level. Okay? Now, so itong 1, 2, 3, yung kaninang sponsor bonus, redemption, and this level pairing, ang basis ng bonus po, basis ng tao na sponsoran mo, basis po niya ng package na kinuha nila. Ulitin ko po, the bonus is based on the package that the person you sponsored. Okay? Now, moving on for number 4, okay, this is already the summary which I already explained. Okay, all packages can enjoy a 40% level pairing. And then, of course, all packages enjoy infinite level. So this is what I explained a while ago. Okay, just a recap. Now, starting from the level 4, which is the group pairing bonus, ang basis na po ng bonus, hindi lang doon sa na-sponsoran natin. Now, this is the beginning of the bonus where it is based on my package. So, ikaw na kumikita na. So, before, okay lang na silver ka or gold, whatever, kasi po, yung basis ng bonus will be based on the person you brought in. But starting number 4 onwards, makikita mo na, meron na pong percentage based on your package. So, this is the time you hear the word upgrade. So, pag nakita mo na dumadami na talaga the team, you hear Miss Joyce a while ago, you know, yung ninong niya may sariling team, the word team, okay? So why what does it mean? So kumbaga, marami ka nang nasesharan, ayaw lang nilang gumamit ng product, but they also want to do the opportunity and building their own teams. In other words, they're already growing their group. Ayan. So when they're growing their group, that's why you have the group pairing bonus from your left group and your right group. The good thing about this is, whether ikaw, like the same way kanina sa third, whether ikaw ang directly nag-sponsor or the one, you know, your sponsor naglagay, placement, kasi the system will just put it there in your system under your genealogy, kahit na po hindi direct or non-direct, or we call it family or placement hierarchy, the system will compute from 4th level. Take note, from 4th level down, it will compute and combine all the points, point value, and then it will multiply according to your package. So if you're silver, the system will compute 8%. If you're gold, 10%. And of course, the best is diamond. Look at that. Kaya po, if we're growing, it's good to upgrade. How to upgrade? We just purchase, for example, we get a pro. We're already a diamond. So silver is $300 daily max out. So pag nag-grow na talaga yung iyong business, and then you grow yung team mo because di mo na yan nakokontrol, and then biglang for that day, let's say silver ka pa lang, dapat ang income mo 320, so 300 lang makukuha natin. Anong mangyari sa 20? Of course, it will go to our company. Why? Because that's your daily max out. But if you're gold, 900 daily. If you're diamond, $3,750 US. Wow, generous of the company. This is what we meant by really seamless and generous. So, the strong leg retention means ito po yung maraming points. And then the daily bonus calculation, yan po yung minumultiply or dyan kinukuha yung payout. Yan yung sinasabi na payout leg if you hear. So, leg just for us to know right and left. Bakit strong leg? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Basically po, strong leg retention kasi sa ibang company, pagka kung ano ang na-pay today, everything will be flashed out. But Here, kung ano po yung na-minus, let's say 2,000 from your strong leg and 1,000 PV, so 1,000 minus 2,000, may matitirang 1,000, it will just wait until ma-prepare ulit. Wow! Grabe, no? So that's how generous our company. So this is how it is. Level 1, 2, and 3 receive level pairing bonus. Therefore, from level 4 and onwards will receive the group pairing. And this is infinity. To show you, this is how it works. You can see that the level pairing, yung kaninang number 3 is the red in red. And you can see number 1 and 5 is still red because this is the first pair. Pag nag-level pairing na po si 1 and 3, hindi po siya kasama sa group pairing. So the group pairing, fourth below, is your second package onwards. I repeat, kung nag-earn ka ng level pairing doon, yung group pairing po, hindi na niya isasama. Okay? So this is the actual explanation of how visually, what it meant. So for silver, 300 daily and $9,000 per month. For gold, it's 927,000 per month. And for diamond, of course, everybody wants diamond, 3,750 daily, and of course, 112,500 monthly. Meron na pong kumikita? Yes, meron na pong kumikita niyan. And of course, the number 5 is leadership bonus. This is now a start of a builder. So nag-build ka na, nag-start ka na with your group. Now you are becoming a leader. By how? Because kumikita ka na sa number 4, you help now your team, your leaders to also earn from group pairing. So how does it? Very simple lang. 10% of the income of your leader from your direct down to the 4th generation if you're silver, for gold, 5 generation, and 6 for diamond. Meron kang 10% sa income ng leader mo from your direct sponsored tree. Okay? So we call it the family hierarchy. So from there, you get 10% from her income. So kunwari, kumita siya ng leadership, kumita siya ng group pairing ng $1,000, 10% is you get $100. Can you imagine, the more people, the more team that you're building, helping, you get the leadership. Kasi by the word itself, parang royalty. Kumbaga, you are leading them. Okay? So this is the actual explanation. Leadership bonus from your first generation is 10%. And then si first generation nag-share kay second, and so forth. So this is based on generation, not on the level. So not unlike the number 3, kahit hindi ikaw directly nag-sponsor. But here, this is now dapat from your direct sponsor, but it can be a lot. Wow! The good thing is, kahit isang level lang, isang leg. For example, sa right leg, doon halos lahat nag-group pairing yung mga leaders, no problem as well. Wow! Amazing! And last but not the least, my favorite, the long-term business, which is what we call the uni-level bonus. Ito pong uni-level is based on the, kaya makita mo long-term sustainable income, basically is based on the maintenance. So in every business, meron kang binabayarang renta, may binabayaran kang mga tao. So you're maintaining to have your business to grow, correct? So same here. Pero pinakamaganda dito, you're not buying another Itera Care. All you have to do is maintain $30. $30 na merong point value, 21 point value. And of course, there are a lot of requirements, but fast forward, just an overview, pag hanggang naka-8 direct sponsored group ka, okay? So meron 1, may 2, but yung pinaka, kumbaga kaduluduluhan is 8 direct sponsored group na nag-combine na 210 PV sa mga lahat na nag-maintain. I will show you how lucrative, grabe po ito. Can you imagine? This one on the left, okay? Mag-simulate tayo ha. On the left could be the months, at the same time can be the generation. For example, first month. When I say first month, hindi yung nag-join. Yung meron kang dalawa that will also do the business like you. Dalawa lang, okay? And then on the second month, yung dalawa, tinulungan mong kumuha ng dalawa. All of this continuously, 2 by 2 by 2. On the 20th month, sabihin mo na conservatively, on the 24th month, 2 years, wow. Do you know that the team, part of your organization is 1,048,000? And lahat yan on the 25th month, kasi 24 months mo to ginawa, on the 25th month, nag-$30 lang lahat yan. Wow! You have 21 PV, 3%. Do you know that your income is, wow, 1.3 $660,000 US dollar. Okay? So can you imagine if that is your income? This is the total, the 1.3. But you for that month, 660,000 US dollar. And sabihin mo, nako, Miss Timmy, hindi naman yan true. Kumbaga, there's no perfect. Yes, sabihin na natin hindi perfect. So, hindi na ako magma-minus, straight na tayo 10%. Let's say 10% of that is $66,000. Pero sabihin natin, wag na lang dollars. Sabihin mo na peso na lang, di ba? So, make it 50,000. Example, yung wala, very conservative. After 2 years of building your business, na 2 by 2 lang, and hindi pa perfect, I believe an extra 60,000 pesos, it's up to you, or dollars, I believe it's an amazing lucrative business. Don't you think so? And now, may enhancement pa yan, but as the person invited you regarding the enhancement, okay, that is connected to our ranking, yung 7 and 8. So, it's just an overview. So, this is the maintenance guideline. So, remember, the maintenance po is advanced, pre-advanced month. Ibig sabihin, for me to earn on May, I have to maintain on April. But if you are newly signed now, you are active present month and the next month. Okay? So it's very amazing. But very, very important po, kung ikaw ay meron ka ng account ngayon, you've been a member for a long time, pero hindi ka nagbabayad ng $30, so you're called inactive, no problem. But for 6 months, pag walang maintenance, makita ng system, if there are points there, 50% mafa-flash out. But if 1 year straight, hindi ka talaga nag $30, zero po yung points. But your account is still there. So you can reactivate anytime. You just pay $60 initially for this month and next month. And then afterwards, every month, $30, balik na po for being active. So that is actually the first 6 amazing income plan now. Income generating for Prive. And this is the bonus summary. All the PVs you can see for silver 200, gold 600, and diamond 2,000, and all of the direct sponsors 10% regardless of your position and the packages that the person will get. And for level pairing is all 40% of the point value ng kinuha po ng na-sponsora natin. And for group pairing, for silver you get 8%, for gold you get 10%, and for diamond you get 12%. And the max daily pairing is 300 every day for silver, 900 for gold, and 3,750 for diamond. And of course, all you have to do to remember sa leadership bonus is 4, 5, 6 in terms of level. Okay? So, to move on, this is the last, this will not be discussed so much because this is now for those who really want. And if you're a first time and you want to know if you want a real career in Prive, meron bang mataas? Yes, indeed. Because meron po tayong mga tinatawag na mga 1-star manager, 2-star manager, 3-star manager, and meron pong mga directorship, Sapphire Director to Crown Ambassador. And we are so proud that in almost magti 3 years pa lang po, there's only 2 Crown Ambassador in the world. And they are Filipinos. Woo! And 1 Diamond Director, and they are Filipino. Woo! Palakpakan mo naman yan. Very proud being a Filipino. So, that's how amazing. And they have earned already ito pong tinatawag na pag ikaw ay naging director, meron kang total bonus from gross global sales. This is paid annually, calculated monthly. So, last January, our anniversary, nagbigay na po ang Prive ng ating global profit bonus. So these are the percentage from Sapphire Director to Crown. So just a general preview, if you really want to make it big and to make it long-term, kakaririn mo, pwedeng-pwede po sa Prive because it has an amazing, huge income for our Prive business plan. Okay, so these are the percentage. Of course, there are qualification. Just an addition before I end, income from Unilevel, 100% cash po yan. As part of the safety feature, lahat po ng income is 80% cash and 20% product points. So automatic, for example, yung $20, 16 you will see that can be in cash, and the $4 is there po in your product points. Okay? Remember, you have 3 wallets, so makikita nyo automatically it will reflect there. And this is the right strategy. If you want to already do your business now, 3 accounts would be good. So you buy 3 devices, then 3 accounts, and all of it on the left, and then on the left, both sides. Why? To maximize all the income that I just mentioned. So to wrap it, 8 ways to generate income. We have the sponsorship bonus, redemption bonus, and level pairing bonus. And if you're growing your team, you have the group pairing bonus, the leadership bonus, and of course, for long-term, for the maintenance, you have the uni-level bonus and special bonus for builders. Kaway-kaway po, we have the rank-up bonus and the global profit bonus. So these are already the result. It is not edited. You will see it in your dashboard. If you are a member, you will see that it is an actual people. They are actual people who's really earning already. And of course, here in Prive, we are one Prive, one team, and one family. Thank you, everyone, for joining me. And of course, wishing everybody, well, declaring everybody and agreeing that if we say yes and do it now, and Prive is our now business with an amazing product, an amazing business, we can do it. So thank you so much for joining us. And blessings to everyone. Back to you, Miss Joyce.
All right, wow, I love it. Sobrang clear. And I believe talagang naintindihan po ng ating mga viewers for tonight. Thank you, Miss Timmy. Okay, so we have to end it now. Again po, if you have may mga questions po kayo, please go back doon sa nag-invite sa inyo. We have ang support po natin dito is very, very strong. Just don't forget to go back po dun sa nag-sponsor sa inyo if you have your device already, and to those who are interested, please, huwag niyo na pong patagalin pa because this amazing product really helps the household, and not only that, even po sa ating finances. Ayun. So yeah, it's 9:04 and I believe it's time na to parang artista lang, pack up na tayo. Thank you so much for coming. We have a lot of product presentations po daily. Keep lang po sa mga GCs that you are in, and even po sa ating FB page. Thank you so much to the 100,000 who are here, who attended, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. Here in Prive, we change a life. God bless you all. Bye po. See you again.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Coach Joyce and Coach Timmy.
Yes.
Everyone, galing-galing. Thank you.
Thank you.